Today we're going to use a PhET lab to explore sound waves. When you have the waves intro page, you have the option of water, sound, and light. We're of course going to click sound. The sound page brings you here where you have a speaker on this side with a green on button. Now, if I click on that, you can see that sound waves are actually longitudinal. If I change it to particles, you can see the particles pushing away. The energy is moving in the direction of the disturbance, which makes it a longitudinal wave. We're going to go back to waves. This is the way you're going to be looking at it. Now these waves are a little hard to determine, so we're going to click graph here to turn on the graph, and you can see that it corresponds to a transverse wave here. The sound itself has an amplitude you can see right here, and the frequency or wavelength you can see pulling out over here. You're going to make sure that when you play with this, you're going to put the option for play tone on. That's going to let you hear the sound that this is making. Now, it might not be pleasant to your ears, but it's important for you to hear what's going on. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on. Makes a sound. You're going to play with the amplitude and see what that does to that wave, not just on the chart right here, but also to the sound that you're hearing. So when you play with amplitude, what happens to that sound? When I moved it to 0, when I move it up to max, okay? And what happens to that sound when you play with the frequency? You're listening to the sound, but you're also looking and seeing what it does on this wave down here on the map. You're going to use those functions to answer your questions in your assignment today.